Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Discord not opening on the PC. There are a couple of different solutions and try them one by one. The first thing you want to do is open the start menu, type run, and here you want to type in percentage app data percentage, hit OK. This will bring up this file folders. You want to delete 3 different folders. So you go to Discord and you want to delete cache, code cache, and GPU cache. Now don't worry, deleting these will come back once you start Discord, so it will not do any kind of, it will not hurt your computer in the long term. Now if you can't delete it because it's saying it's being used, you need to end Discord in the task manager, so type hit Control, Alt, and delete. Go to Task Manager and then right click and end Discord and then try it again to see if that works. Okay, if you've done that and it still isn't working, the next thing you want to do is try to run Discord as a administrator. So find the Discord shortcut and just right click and say run as administrator. Alternatively, you can go to compatibility and say run this program as administrator, hit apply. You can also try to run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. This does solve a couple of different issues. Okay, if you've done that and it still doesn't work, try to check for corrupt or missing system files. So go to CMD, command prompt, right click, say run as administrator. And here type in sfc/scan now. And what this will do is it will scan your computer to see if you have any corrupt files, and then it will fix them. Okay, you've done that and it still isn't working. What you want to try doing is disabling your firewall. How do you do that? Go to Windows Security, Firewall, and your virus threat protection. Virus and threat protection, go to Manage Settings. Turn off real-time protection. Also go to Firewall Network Protection. Click on Domain Network, Private Network, and Public Network, and click on, click off, I should say, Windows Defender Firewall. And that is it. That should fix the issue. If it did, leave the video a like. If it didn't, leave the video a comment, and I'll do my best to help you.